Hi everyone. Today I'm making a classic dessert from Latin America and Spain called Leche Flan. It features a silky egg and milk custard topped with a soft caramel sauce. Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. As always, you'll find the full list of ingredients in the description below, and please like and subscribe. I'll start with the caramel first. You can make it with just sugar, but it burns easily, so I'm going to use a safer method by mixing 1 cup of water with 1 cup of sugar. Heat the water and dissolve the sugar in it over high heat. Once it starts to boil, reduce the heat and cook it, stirring gently for about 5 minutes. When it turns a dark golden brown, remove it from the heat and immediately pour it into the baking dish. Be careful, it is very hot, so use a kitchen towel or oven mitt. I'm using an 8-inch metal mixing bowl as a baking dish here because a springform pan could leak. Also, I want the flan to have a round shape, and the mixing bowl works perfectly for that. Rotate the bowl to coat the sides evenly. The caramel hardens quickly, so do it fast. Set it aside to cool. Now I'll make the custard mixture. First, crack 4 large eggs into a mixing bowl. Then I'll add 2 more yolks only, so I'll carefully separate them and save the whites for something else later. Next, I'll add 1 8 fluid ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 8 fluid ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 quart teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything together until smooth, about 30 seconds. Avoid overblending. You don't want the mixture to get too frothy. Pour the custard base into the baking dish with the hardened caramel. Before baking, if there are any bubbles on top, you can get rid of them with a blowtorch. Or you can just leave them, no problem. That step is optional. Now to bake it, put the bowl with the custard into another, larger baking dish. In my case, a bigger metal mixing bowl with about 1 cup of water inside. This way, it will bake in a water bath, which helps the custard cook as evenly as possible. Bake it in a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. When it's ready, remove it from the oven. It should be firm, but still slightly jiggly. Let it cool on the countertop for 30 to 40 minutes, then transfer it to the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours, or overnight. When you're ready to serve it, place a large enough plate on top of the bowl and flip it. Remove the bowl and tap the top to loosen the flan if necessary. It shouldn't be a problem. The soft caramel acts almost like a lubricant. Slice it and enjoy it with tea or coffee. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next recipe. If you try this leche flan at home, let me know in the comments how it turned out. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time on Cooking Show at Home.